Hello everyone, Grandpa here. Since Valentine's Day is coming up and Grandma loves hot chocolate, I thought I would surprise her by making some cocoa bombs. You need 2 molds, dark chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips, sprinkles in heart shapes, regular mini marshmallows, and peppermint marshmallows. Those are the ingredients that we will be using to make our cocoa bombs. The first process is to get my double boiler out, put our chocolate chips in a double boiler, and melt them. First step is to prepare our double boiler. I've put water in the bottom pot, inch deep water, put the pot on the top, put my temperature on to medium. Pour my milk chocolate chips into the pot. The chips are starting to melt, as you can see. It takes a little time. The chocolate has all melted now. We'll leave it on the stove to heat up a little bit. Then we're going to take it off and put it into the mold. I've scooped some chocolate out of the pot, put it into a bowl, got my spoon. Now I'm going to fill up my mold. Put a little bit in the mold, spread it around with the back of the spoon, like so. That's one. That's 2. And then when we're done here, putting the chocolate into the mold, we're going to put the mold in the refrigerator for 5 minutes to harden. And then we're going to put another coating of chocolate to give it a nice thickness to it. We've covered everything. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes to harden. I removed the mold from the refrigerator after 5 minutes. And now I'm going to put a second layer of chocolate to give it a nice thick walls, and put it back in the refrigerator for another 5 minutes to cool. Okay, so there's our second layer. And we put it back in the refrigerator for another 5 minutes. We removed the mold from the refrigerator. Now we have to get the bombs out of the mold by stretching the material, turn it over. I just removed my bombs from my mold. After I removed it from the refrigerator, I let the mold sit for 3 minutes to get adjusted to the temperature so the mold would pop out easily, which they did. So now I've got to assemble them. I took a plate, I ran it on the back side under hot water to heat it up so I could melt my mold a little bit, so I could fuse the 2 pieces together. And I got the peppermint marshmallow, regular marshmallow, and some hot chips. Take another half, heat it, run it on a hot plate to melt the chocolate a little bit, to fuse it together. Like so. And they came out fine. Put it on a side over here. Take the other two. Heat up the edge. Put a marshmallow. Some chips. Take the last half I have, heat it up, and fuse the two together. And that's how we make our cocoa bombs. Now we've got to let them cool so they fuse together so we can put a little different decoration on the top. All my cocoa bomb molds are all done now. Now I'm going to decorate a few of them. I'm going to take some icing that I mixed up, spread it around the top. I have some pink sprinkles that I'm going to sprinkle over on a dish, like so. Then take a few of these heart candies, put them on top. Take another one. And you can decorate them any way you like. But this is the way I'm doing it today. All of Grandma's Valentine cocoa bombs are decorated. I found a vintage milk glass dish with hearts going around, and I put them on that plate. It really looks cute. Grandma is going to taste her Valentine cocoa bombs. Pick one out, Grandma.
Oh, they're so beautiful, Grandpa. You're the greatest. Oh, they're so pretty.
You got
I just
pink,
don't
you got
know.
white, you got red, and they all got hearts on them for Valentine's Day.
No, you did a beautiful job. It's so hard to decide, but I think I'll take a pink one. Okay, I'm going to open it up and put it in the mug and pour some milk on top, and let's see what happens. Let's see. Is it going to explode?
That's it. There they come.
Oh, here comes the marshmallows.
Pink and white.
Mm. And the chocolate. I love hot chocolate. Right, Grandpa?
Yes.
Just still take a little while for the chocolate to dissolve. You have to stir it well to make sure that the chocolate gets dissolved. Good. You pick yours now. Which one do you like?
I'm going to pick the white one in the middle.
Okay. Now let it dissolve good now. Make sure it dissolves very good before we drink it.
There it goes.
Oh, it's coming
Took
now.
a dive.
Yeah, make sure your marshmallows melt too.
They don't melt, they get wet.
They melt. Marshmallows.
I'm gonna taste one. I'm gonna get me a pink one. Nice peppermint flavor. Peppermint hot chocolate. So this is our Cocoa Bombs for Grandma's Valentine's Day gift.
Yeah, thank you, Grandpa. I love when you make me anything homemade. Mmm. It tastes very good. You could taste the dark chocolate, the marshmallows. Mmm. A really nice, smooth chocolate taste.
Very good, this dark chocolate one. I picked the dark chocolate bomb.
So did I. And you know, dark chocolate is my favorite flavor of chocolate. Mmm. Delicious. I'm glad everyone could join us, and we wish you a very happy Valentine's Day.
Look how nice it all melted together. The dark chocolate cocoa bombs with the marshmallows.